If you're choosing a mobile plan, two major options are Google Fi and T-Mobile. They may seem similar, but they're actually built for completely different types of users. So, which one is actually better? Let's break it down. Google Fi is a flexible, app-driven carrier that runs mainly on T-Mobile's network, but adds extra features like smart network switching and seamless international roaming. One of its biggest advantages is pricing flexibility. You can either pay for the data you use or choose an unlimited plan depending on your needs. It also works in over 200 countries with no need to swap SIM cards, which makes it perfect for travelers. The downside is that pricing isn't always the cheapest for heavy users, and performance can vary depending on your device and location. T-Mobile, on the other hand, is a full traditional carrier with strong nationwide 5G coverage and more consistent performance. Its unlimited plans are straightforward, and you typically get faster speeds and better priority on the network compared to MVNOs like Google Fi. It's also better for heavy data users who stream, game, or hotspot frequently. The downside is that international features are more limited unless you pay extra, and you don't get the same flexible billing model as Google Fi. So which one is better? Choose Google Fi if you travel often, want flexible pricing, and like the idea of paying only for what you use. Choose T-Mobile if you want the most reliable speeds, stronger coverage, and a more traditional unlimited data experience. Bottom line, Google Fi is better for flexibility and international use, while T-Mobile is better for performance and heavy data usage. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like and subscribe for more videos.